Okay guys, as you can see, this is column footing for this project, and each column footing size is 1 by 1 meter, and depth of this footing is 1.5 meter, and we will use column size in this footing 30 by 30 centimeter, means 1 by 1 feet the column size. Okay, and footing size is 1 by 1 meter and depth is 1.5 meter, and each column footing size is same, right? So you can see this. Now guys, as you can see, this labor is making position for center line for column, RCC column. So this is outer side. This is outer side for RCC column. This is the other outer side. One feet.